This is a tutorial of how to edit an image on Photoshop and then print it onto a t-shirt using heat transfer. This tutorial will give you a step-by-step guide. For this activity you will need
Photoshop, a computer, an image to edit, a printer, heat transfer paper, a heat press, and a t-shirt. Here is our tutorial.
On the left-hand toolbar is the Magic Wand tool. Use this to select the background. Select Paintbrush tool and choose a nice colour. We have chosen cranberry, and then choose a big brush so it will be quicker and easier to colour. Then we added blue leaves onto the background. We did this by changing the brush to a leaf shape, changing the colour to blue and changing the opacity to a lower number so that it didn't overcome the background colour. We have then selected the windows with the Magic Wand. Once we have added the background to the windows with the paint tool and added blue leaves, we then use the Magic Wand to select the other green parts. We have used the paintbrush tool to put a green background on, and then we have added blue leaves with a different brush. Here we have deselected the entire image. To do this, go to the top tab, select, and then deselect. Here we have selected the type tool so that we can add text to our image. We have then changed the font and the size. And finally, here we are saving our work so that we can reopen it as the new image. When you print, flip over the image so that it will print backwards. This will make it the right way up when it has been transferred. First of all, load your image onto the computer that's connected to the printer. Click File, Print, check the print settings are correct and wait for it to go through.
Print onto heat transfer paper and wait for the image to print.
In preparation for doing the heat transfer, iron the section of the t-shirt you are going to place the image on. After that, warm up the heat press to 180 degrees Celsius. Lay your t-shirt down. And smooth out any creases. Then lay your image face down onto the t-shirt. Make sure it is centered to the neckline. Then lay some paper on top of the image to make sure that the t-shirt stays clean. Pull the top round and then press the top down. Then wait for 30 seconds for the process to take shape. After this, lift up the top and pull it to the side. Lift up the t-shirt carefully and make sure you don't burn yourself. Then, slowly pull away the heat transfer paper and you should be left with your final image placed onto the t-shirt.